Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dewi Indriyani with NPM 2021-2063 and I'm as the moderator of Group 4. On this occasion, we will present our research proposal to fulfill Grammar in Multimodal Discourse course entitled The Discourse of Learning Strategies in TikTok-Based Learning Videos, a Multimodal Semiotic Technology Analysis. Let me introduce the member of Group 4, which consists of 5 members, that is Eki Rizkia Maulida, Wahyuni, Elsa Mayora, Zakiyaturrahmah, and I'm Dewi Indriyani. Without any further ado, let's move on to explaining our proposal.
My name is Elsa Mayora with NPM 2021-2052. Here I would like to explain the introduction. So according to Bashira in 2022, stated that the digital revolution of the 4.0 era caused tremendous change to the social and cultural order in society, especially regarding how people currently consume online media. All of this evidence by the emergence of various kinds of social media applications circulating in cyberspace, such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Line, WhatsApp, Telegram, and one of them is TikTok. This study aims to explore the gap by using multimodal semiotic analysis using one-to-one framework, which includes 7 dimensions, namely multimodal dimension, physical dimension, social dimension, media dimension, material dimension, historical dimension, and the last is critical dimension. Next is literature review. There are learning strategies. According to Cohen 2020 define language learning strategies as those processes which are consciously selected by learners and which may result in action taken to enhance learning or use of second or foreign language. Next, there are TikTok-based learning videos. According to Shah et al. 2020, TikTok is an applicable social media for conducting various interactions in the form of short videos. And the last is multimodal semiotic technology. According to Agambin in 2009, semiotic multimodal approach aims to understand social media technology. These technological artifacts have the ability in some way to obtain, direct, determine, model, control, or secure the body, behavior, opinion, or existence of living things. And the last is their method. The method used in this research is qualitative descriptive case study, multimodal discourse analysis. According to Crace 2010, multimodal discourse analysis (MDA) is a new paradigm in discourse studies that expands the scope of language studies to include language studies in conjunction with various media, including visual, scientific symbolism, gestures, activities, music, and sound. The focus of this research is to investigate the discourse of learning strategies depicted visually and verbally in TikTok-based learning videos.
Alright, I will explain the process of collecting data in our research. We use a data collection method known as the researchers themselves, or primary data. According to Kabir 2016, primary data is information obtained from direct experience. In our research, we engage in multimodal semiotic analysis. In this context, our data collection or research instruments are the researchers themselves. We analyze 3 videos uploaded by the TikTok accounts to the Fairy, which discuss learning strategies for getting an A in exams or tests. We selected these 3 videos for their high relevance and ability to support our research goals. When we say that the data collection is done by researchers, we mean that we use our knowledge and understanding as analysis to gather the required data. We observe, analyze, and interpret the signs and meaning contained in the videos. Next is data analysis. We use document analysis with the one-to-one framework that analyze 7 dimensions. That is, the first one is the multimodal dimension. This dimension analyzes the use of various semiotic modes like image, text, sound, and etc. in visual communication. And the second is the practice dimension. This step analyzes how to practice or action in the video affects the interpretation of visual message. And the third is the social dimension that analyzes the impact of content on society. And the fourth is the media dimension that analyze how media formats and technologies influence the production, distribution, and reception of visual message. And the fifth, the material dimension that analyzes the role of physical materials and technology in the production and presentation of visual message. And the sixth is the historical dimension. The reason for making production are analyzed at this stage. And the last is the critical dimension. The final step is to critically analyze the visual message.
Alright, thank you to the moderator that has given me the opportunity. Allow me to introduce myself first. I'm Eki Rizkia Maulida with my student's number 2021222042. Here, I'd like to explain our analysis of one of the TikTok videos with the tagline, How to Correctly Study and Stop Failing. This is one of the learning strategies to get an A grade on the text. Here, we analyze using one-on-one framework at 2005, namely through 7 dimensions. For the first one is multimodal dimension. As you can see on the picture on the slide, this video was created by a content creator from an account TikTok called StudyVery. This video contains a learning strategy to get an A grade. This video is also supported by text, media such as pens, sticky notes, highlighter to make it look more attractive, and is also used voiceover, so that the viewers can more easily understand how to do this learning strategy. Next is practice dimension. The creator of the StudyVery account acts as the text producer, then a person who manages the StudyVery account and shares the videos there acts as a text distributor, and all TikTok users, especially students who want to get an A grade on the test, even people around the world, act as the text consumer. Next is social dimension. The content created by StudyVery has had a lot of impacts. As you can see on the comments feature, this video has received positive responses from various perspectives. Therefore, seeing the positive comments, TikTok viewers, especially students who want to get an A grade on the test, will be interested in watching this video and will implement it. Next is media dimension. This video contains a curiosity learning strategy, namely SQ3R strategy. This video aims to persuade the viewers to try this SQ3R strategy if they want to get an A grade easily. Then, you can also see on the caption, it is mentioned, just tried this method and got a 94%. This indicates that the creator persuades the viewers to try this strategy to get an A grade. Next is material dimension. The material dimension in this video includes several writing tools to support this learning strategy, namely pens, sticky notes, and highlighter. In this video, the creator also used sticky notes to practice creating summarizes after implementing the SQ3R strategy. Next is historical dimension. Clearly, the purpose of the creator to publish this content is to help students to know a learning strategy for gaining a good score, especially A grade, and also success in every test. The content is displayed briefly but the viewers can get the point straight from the video without any distraction. And the last one is critical dimension. Judging from the comment feature on this post, there are only 17 responses, and this is very few compared to the number of post likes that reach more than 8,000. In general, the responses from the viewers is like they will try this strategy later. Then, some of them thanking the creator, giving accomplishments, and also giving suggestions. Therefore, the comments from the viewers showed their responses to the content and also showed their attitudes toward the information that the creator shared.
Alright, thank you moderator, and this is my turn. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zakiyaturrahmah and my student number is 20212255. In this video, I will convey the result of analyzing the second video. Alright, there are 7 dimensions. For the first one, multimodal dimension. And the second video, the data is obtained from 3 semiotic sources. Those are audio, visual, and textual. The audio produced by the creator explain how the blurting method strategy is carried out, which is synchronized with the display of the equipment, and how to carry out the strategy through the video. And is also trained by the last semiotic source, that is textual, or we call it caption, which explain the purpose of the strategy. And the practice dimension, for the text producer is the creator of the StudyVery account. For the text distributor, TikTok platform, which is accommodates StudyVery to share the content. And for the text consumer, they are all TikTok users, especially StudyVery viewers who get information from what StudyVery shared on the content. Alright, the next is social dimension. The impact of the video content created is that students can improve their learning styles. It can be seen from the viewers' comments that there are viewers who have succeeded in using the learning method, some who have failed, and some who are still confused by using this learning method. And for the media dimension, based on the content created by the StudyFavorite account, this content has an informative purpose, namely as content that aims to provide information on how to get an A test score, and the content provides information on how to get an A test score using the brooding method. And then for material dimension, the creator uses several tools such as textbook, pencils, sticky notes, and blank paper to do brooding. In the video, there is a pencil breakthrough. The creator used a cell phone to record the video to make the video taking process easier, and creators also use smartphone or PCs to edit videos and use internet data to upload the videos. And for the fifth is historical dimension. From the title of the video post, it can be guessed that the purpose of the account's video content is explained to study tips. The creator wants to help students get good test score. Alright, for the last dimension is critical dimension. The content created by StudyFavorite received many comments from topic user. The number of comments received by creator was 190, and of course, all of these comments come from various viewpoints of the audience. Some people agree that the brooding method works well, such as the account GHJKA11 saying I did it and I got 84 in science. Then some people revealed that the brooding method is not working properly and failed to work, and some of them, like account Agnes, said I did this and it failed. Judging from all of these comments, it's clear that viewers or TikTok users or followers of the StudyFavorite account are very critical of the videos posted by the StudyFavorite account. The comments they share show they're critically of what they are currently consuming. From there, we can see that consumers or viewers are wise and critically interested in information. That's all I have, and the next point will continue by my partner. Thank you.
I'm Wahyuni and my student number is 202122043, and here I will explain the analysis result of the third video. First is multimodal dimension. The creator posts a video on the StudyFavorite account with tagline "Fun ways to study for exam." The video with voiceover and display the creator review sticky notes. In this video, the creator share a method involves writing on concept or term on its sticky note, put on jar and selecting the note, and we should prepare a short timer and write down everything that is known for the particular term. And the next one is the practical dimension. The StudyFavorite account is the creators of the account that makes fun learning strategy video posts, or we can say that StudyFavorite is the text producers, and then for the text consumer is the all TikTok users, especially TikTok user who wants to do fun learning or do engaging study, and these accounts are open to the public. The next one is the social dimension. Content created by StudyFavorite give benefits, but the content gets responded to various perspectives. A TikTok user will find engaging studies that will work, and of course it will be fun, requiring a few easy available tools, and then someone who interested will follow the account. And then the next is the media dimension. TikTok account can be used to share learning strategies with the aim of getting A in the exam, and then the creators explain and demonstrate the step and complete learning strategy. We start with writing keyword and sticky notes and roll up and store in container, and the content display in the video is good, but the explanation is too fast, so viewer may be to watch the video several times or ignore the video. But at the very least, the creators provide a caption that contains short steps regarding the learning strategy being taught in the video, so the viewers can follow the video while reading the caption. Next is the material dimension. The material in the TikTok video content from the StudyFavorite using several writing tools such as sticky notes and pens, and also a timer to limit the short amount of time, and then additionally, creators all use the energy to talk and perform action in the video. And for making videos, they use also smartphone or PCs to record and edit the video, and then the internet data to upload the video to the TikTok platform. And the next one is historical dimension. The creators of this video aims to provide viewer with an attractive and efficient way to improve their understanding of exam in order to get A and concept quickly, and help them memorize vocabulary and concept quickly, as well as concrete steps such as using sticky note and using the timer to write the knowledge with a certain time limit. And the last one is the critical dimension. The video content uploaded by the StudyFairy account is fully informative and discusses learning strategies for dealing with exam with the aim of achieving an A grade. It does not contain provocative element it is based on the creator's personal experience. The advantages of this video content that is provide information to the audience about interesting learning strategies and allow them to memorize vocabulary and concept without spending a lot of time. However, there have been some comments, some suggestion from the viewers. Some of the viewers suggesting that the content should use technology such as Quizlet app can be effective alternative to learning, especially when it comes to saving on paper. So that's all from me.
Okay, the last one is the conclusion. In conclusion, this research analyzed TikTok-based learning videos from the StudyFairy account TikTok to investigate the depiction of learning strategies visually and verbally. The first video on using the SQ3R method received positive feedback and encouraged viewers to try the strategy. The second video on the best study method garnered mixed views, with some agreeing and others disagreeing on this effectiveness. And the third video provided useful information and strategies for achieving grade A, capturing viewers' interest. Overall, StudyFairy videos offer valuable insight on learning strategies through easily accessible and engaging media, gaining attention within social circles. And this is the list of references that we use to support our research. That's our presentation of this research. We really hope for criticism and suggestion to improve our research in the future. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.